In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to reset network settings on this phone. So at the very beginning, you need to open the settings, reach System, and then go to Reset Options. Then go to Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, and if you really want to remove all setup for those data for Wi-Fi, Mobile Data and Bluetooth, just click on Reset Settings. And then confirm it again. And just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you truly have to be sure that you want to do it. But if you are, just click. And now it has been done. You will be able to set up and configure networks from scratch. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.